Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today as you guys can see, I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and in this video I will show you different type of note taking apps. Okay guys, first of all, this S6 Lite, as you guys know, it comes with S Pen, which is free, and you can use this for different note taking apps. So let me show you different apps. I already installed some of them, and the first app is already built in this S6 Lite. It's called Samsung Notes. So let me open it. So when you open, it will be like this, and then you can write anything over here. You guys can see here, write anything over here, and then you can also convert this into the text. So you can convert your writing into the text by just clicking over here. So when you click over here, it will ask you, you can see here. So I write here, it convert my writing into the text, and there is an option, it says convert. So I click on in this, and you can see here it's converting into the text. So you can write anything over here, and you can convert it into the text. The other good thing about this S6 Lite, it has palm rejection technology. So for example, if I try to put my palm over here on the screen and I want to write anything, so it does not have any effect on the screen, and so this is called palm rejection technology, which is really amazing. So this is the first app. The second app that I want to show you is called Bamboo Paper. You can see here it's called Bamboo Paper. This is also a note taking app. So when you open it, it will be like this form. So there are lines over here, so you can write on this line if you want to take the effect of like a paper form. Okay, so you can see here. So you can write anything on using this Bamboo app. And the one thing that I want to show you, if I don't put pressure on the pen nib, S Pen nib, so it will write anything like in a thin form. Okay, so if I put a little pressure on this pen and on the screen, so you will see here. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the line and the format become little thick because I put pressure on this nib. So it's really cool and really amazing feature, guys. So this is the second app, and the third app that I want to show you is called Squid. You can see here, this is also a note taking app, Squid. I will open this. So when you open, then you can press this plus button and then note. So you can, there it gives you different styles. So I use the standard normal one, and then you can start writing over here as well. So you can also use this option, which is called pressure option. So it, whatever you select here, it will write in the same write in the same form. Okay, you can see here. Yeah, you can see here. So this also has a palm rejection technology. For example, if I put my palm over here, does not have any effect on the screen, and I can write easily whatever I want. Okay, so also in this app there are different options. You can use these options. Okay, so the next app that I want to show you is called Incredible. You can see here it's called Incredible. So let me open this. Really cool app. Okay guys, so you can write anything. Okay, the good thing about this app, when you use this button, the button comes in the S Pen, and you can press this button and it will work as a eraser. Okay, you can see here. Okay, and you guys can see here, and then you can start writing again. Okay guys, so this is really cool feature. So this is the fourth app, and then I will show you the next app. The next app is OneNote. It is from Microsoft. So it will be like this. There are different forms, so you can also write anything over here. You can see here on this OneNote app. and there are also different option about the pen nibs. There are different colors, so it has different options over here, so you can utilize and you can explore all these options. So guys, this is all from me now about these note-taking apps. These all apps are totally free, and you can use them for taking your notes in Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite, guys. So guys, I hope you like my video. I hope you enjoy my video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much, guys.